Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gamerhash token. Ticker symbol is GHX. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting February 8th. We're going to go over the information on the Gamerhash token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing February 8th at 9 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search the ticker symbol GHX, and then simply just buy the token. Now, Gamerhash is an app that allows users to earn and share their computing power by simply running it in the background. After all, sharing really is caring. When our application then gets the said power converted into real funds, and that's exactly what our project is all about, providing an easy-to-use, innovative earning solution. What's even more, earning on shared computing power isn't the only source of income that the application provides. Our play and earn component is also a great way to get some extra money. Play and earn are what we call it P&E, is our platform within our app that allows the users to, as the name says itself, earn by playing. The whole process comes down to a very few simple steps consisting of picking out tasks, completing it, and then of course getting your reward. Once the user accumulates their little fortune, they can virtually do whatever they want with it. Pay it out to their external wallets, hodl it, or treat themselves to a gift in our Gamerhash store, which basically has everything that a gamer's heart would desire. All of this begs the question, what is the driving force that keeps the whole ecosystem running? And this is definitely the Gamercoin GHX, our ERC20 and BSC based token. So it's a cross-chain token on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum blockchain. Of course, nothing would be the same without also including our community of over 740,000 users, and none other than Astro, a fearless astronaut that also happens to be our brand hero. Our main goal at Gamerhash is delivering an easy-to-use, low-entrance barrier solution that provides the users with an opportunity for a passive source of income. In other words, making earning easier every day. It's something that we're very passionate about, especially as one of the parts of our mission is also revolutionizing the whole World Wide Web as we know it. And our earning possibilities go hand in hand with it. What's even more, although your earnings currency is Bitcoin, you don't need to know anything about crypto or current trends in our modern technology. We're trying to make the whole process as simple as possible to ensure that everyone in our community is able to get some extra funds. That's why starting your Gamerhash journey is as trivial as downloading our app, which, by the way, will do everything for you and automatically choose the most efficient setup. Wondering if Gamerhash is a good solution for you? Well, if you own any kind of PC, low or high spec, then think no further. Gamer, crypto lover, NFT freak, it doesn't matter. At Gamerhash, we're providing earning opportunities for everyone. What's even more, in the true spirit of Web3, we also want to enable you to do whatever you truly desire with your own funds. Full freedom, full ownership of your money. Want to hodl it? Sure. We've constructed our Gamerhash wallets in a way that allows you to keep your earnings for as long as you want. Maybe you'd like to invest some of it. Well, you can pay them out in any amount at any given time to your external wallet. The same obviously goes for spending them, which we tried to make even more exciting by providing the best offers and promos in our Gamerhash store. So, Gamercoin, Europe's first licensed ERC20 and BSC-based token KCEX, is for everyone. Native to the Gamerhash ecosystem, it acts as a fuel that fills it with the power of freedom and flexibility. On top of that, the token itself is fully regulated by the market, even since it has been first listed on some of the most popular central exchanges. You can also swap it on PancakeSwap. Now, for the PancakeSwap one, they're obviously talking about the BEP21, and then the Ethereum one would be on Uniswap. To make it also happen, our team works very hard to ensure that Gamercoin stays versatile and as valuable as ever. After all, KCEX never sleeps, and we need to keep it up. During its lifespan, it went through many improvements, from being enabled to be staked through massive burns. It also has become one of the currencies to buy NFTs on the dedicated marketplace. So they have a roadmap on here. They have what they've done so far, what they're planning to achieve. Huge roadmap on here. So all sorts of different listings, NFTs, play to earn game rewards, stuff like that. And then we have use cases for the token, big list of those on there. So there's gamers, miners, partners, education, their Gamerhash Studio, the Gamercoin token economy, the whole ecosystem, the people in the community. All this type of stuff can be found at gamercoin.com, and then their document section for even more details at docs.gamercoin.com. As always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this project at GamerhashCom on Twitter, and their Telegram is at GamerhashOfficial. And you can find this token newly listed as of February 8th on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where we go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.